Team R4UL, we are back again. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again. And I'm wait, before we start anything off, okay, do us a favor, thieves out there, right? And you know, if you want a dash cam from a car and what have you, for the sake of £15, don't put us through this hassle and headache, okay? My man here, he had a dash cam which would cost about 15 quid. Okay, 20 quid tops, right? Probably get one from eBay for about second hand, about £10. Somebody broke his window for the dash cam. Okay, break the window if it was a normal car. It's a Vauxhall Adam. We've got a Vauxhall Adam here on a 2015 Vauxhall Adam, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the window, the passenger side window, UK passenger side, but it's exactly the same. Will be the same method on the driver side as well. So yeah, do us a favor. For the sake of 15 quid, robbers and thieves out there, don't go robbing a dash cam, okay? Go buy one from eBay for 15 quid. On the other hand, this customer of mine, he wanted air conditioning to be working on this kind of thing. Best source of air conditioning. You'll never have to... Stop laughing. Right, anyway, let's get on with it. No more messing about. Right, guys, so first things first, we need to take this little cover off, get a flat screwdriver like that, a flat one, and just pick it off. This one, for some reason, it's got some sort of glue on it. Maybe previous owner put some glue on it or something like that. You need a Torx 20 or a 25. Take that one off. I've already slackened and everything. Okay, we're gonna go around to this side here. Take this one off as well. Right, okay, guys, so the next thing, we've took that one off, obviously. The one on the side, took that one off as well. Torx, I'll be honest with you, it's a Torx 25. Okay, the Torx 25. Okay, so just to cover your side, just get the Torx 20 as well. Right, so we're going to take this cover off, this one here, and as you can see behind it, we've got two more screws, Torx 25 as well, another one there. Now let's take this off. There we go. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, right, so we've taken this one off and this one off. I don't think there's any more holding this panel together, okay, this door card together. So there's no nice way to do this. Just give it a yank, give it a pull. It should come off. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, guys, sit rep. Situation report is, I'll be straight up honest with you, this one here, tight as hell. Okay, I got a screwdriver behind it, pulled it. I got my mate to hold the door, and eventually it has come off. So if it's not coming off after taking them screws off, just be patient and give it some, basically, and it will come off eventually. Yeah, so yeah, that's off. I'm gonna see that it will come off. I think first ever time this is coming off, so obviously everything's so tight, all the screws, all the clips, everything is tight. So yeah, give me 2 minutes, I'll be back again. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, right, we've got the panel off, 99% off. This bit here, I'm going to show you guys. So I've got my assistant here to hold the door card for me while I take this clip off. So this clip here, it's only pushes on, basically. That's all it does. So in order to take it off, boom, that's it. Did you see that? Right, do you want me to demonstrate again? Actually, I don't need to mess it up if I demonstrate again. And just comes out from the ball there. That's it, done. Right, just move this out of the way. I mean, it's connected there, but we don't need to mess about with all that because we've got enough space here. Okay, so the door card is, if you want to, you can take these wires and everything off. You don't have to, because you can gain access to everything here, so you don't really need to. Plus, if the window switch is on, you can operate the window and everything. You don't need to mess about with that. So the next thing is we need to take this off. There is no nice way really to take it off. I mean, if you want to, you can get a heat gun and take it off with a heat gun, or just be patient and it should come off, as you can see there, nice and easy. Take all that off and I'll get back at you guys. Okay guys, there we go. We can gain access to everything here. So what we do now is we're going to turn the ignition on, and we're going to go down with the window mechanism. Obviously the window should have been there, but obviously it's not there. So we can gain access to the brackets for the window mechanism. Right, let's do that. Ignition on. We're going to send the window down. Right, okay, so that's why I said keep the door switch on, window switch on. So we'll just go down. As you can see that it's coming down. Right, so there's no nice way to do this. Basically, all it does is the window just clicks onto to these little brackets here. One on this side, one on this side. Right. So before we do anything, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a clean out, get all the leftover glass and everything, hoover everything out, and then we'll fit the new glass. I mean, dead easy, no screws, no bolts or anything like that, no nuts or anything to tighten up. Basically the glass will just slide on the runner onto them. That's it. You can see that onto that. Okay guys, sit rep. Situation report is, right, I made myself a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, okay, and I couldn't even have a cup of coffee, right, and the gaffer over there, right, give me a 3rd degree, get the job done, everything. Mate, I run AWB now, you know, the new garage and everything, you know me, right, I'm the boss here now. How can the boss be taking orders? Okay, that's it. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see here now, we've cleaned everything up. Paul has done a good job, right, nice one, Paul. Right, so yeah, we've got the thumbs up and everything, and we're going to get the glass on now. Right, let's do it. Right, in order to get the glass on, it just slides on. Make sure you have it in the runners. Okay, runners on this side and this side. Make sure it goes onto the runners, and it just clicks on to the frame, to the mechanism here. Okay, that's it. You don't need to screw it on. No bolts, no nothing. Just clicks on. Boom. That's it. You're good to go. Anyway, right, let's get it on. Right, guys. So as you can see here, obviously I had to get 2 hands onto it, 4 hands onto it actually. I needed another person. Basically 2 people will be easy. You can do it by yourself, obviously you can do, but 2 people, 1 person to hold it, another person to guide it. That'll be the best way. Right, as you can see here, I've got it on there. Just make sure we flick these rubbers out and make sure it goes into the runner. As you can see there, it's into the runner here. That's good. Down there, make sure it's into the runner down there, and make sure it goes onto the runner there. Right, and then I've just pushed it down onto the clips here, clicked on here, it's clicked on here as well, and that's it. That's you could say job done for the glass. What we're going to do now is we're going to send it up slowly, make sure it you know, lines up and everything, and yeah, hope for the best. Let's go. Right guys, so nice and easy. Put a bit of grease on the runner here as well, as you can see there. There you go. Happy days. It's on. We're just going to fit everything else in reverse order. All the coverings here, the door card, everything in reverse order. Let's get it done. Right guys, sit rep. Situation report is we need to put this door card back on. Right. 2 ways to do it. One is if you've got new clips, then obviously these new clips, you have to put new clips on there. Take the old ones off and then boom, bang it on. If you haven't got the new clips, because we haven't got the new clips, obviously, get yourself some pliers like that and just try to take them off. Boom, there we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put them back onto the hook here. Click them on all the way around. Let's get all of them on and get this door card on. Let's do it. Okay guys, sit rep. Situation report is, right, we had to get 2 mechanics on this, right? Because I'll be straight up honest with you, it was an absolute headache to get the door card on, no problem, right? But the door card won't go on because there's this panel here. This panel here, you have to take that off, sorry, to get the door card on. Then I can't get it back on again because it goes under the door card. You'll get, you know what, when you get to it, you'll see. You have to take this panel off. This panel flicks off. Okay, also you can't get the door card back on. To take it off, you don't need to mess about, but to get it back on, yeah, not very good. Okay, so anyway, it's on now. I had to get my man Boris to give me a hand as well. Boris the Blade, right? Boris the bullet dodger. That's it. Right. So anyway, let's get these screws on. Let's finish the job off. This is taking too long. This job. Let's go. Well, that's it, guys. All done and dusted. The Vauxhall Adam 2015 window replacement. That's how we replace it. The hardest bit is getting the panel on. The rest of it is easy. So anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Tried my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.